Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Selson and I'm a functional nutritionist and holistic health coach. So for today's video, we're diving into a topic that's essential for every parent, caregiver, and educator out there: how nutrition impacts mental health and cognitive development in children. So childhood and adolescence are critical stages for brain development, and the nutrition children receive can set the foundation for mental well-being and focus throughout life. So let's explore the science behind it. Also, just so you know, there's a free printout in the description box below, which includes a limited time free ebook that helps you manage stress and anxiety through nutrition. The importance of nutrition for brain development. The brain grows and changes rapidly during childhood, making it a critical period for mental and cognitive development. Did you know that poor nutrition starting as early as pregnancy can disrupt how the brain forms and functions? Well, studies have shown that inadequate nutrient intake can lead to various mental health challenges in children, including issues with focus, memory, and emotional regulation. And in more severe cases, it can even be linked to conditions like anxiety, depression, and behavioral issues. But here's the good news: providing children with the right nutrients can support their mental and cognitive development. The growing need for nutritional support. So with rising concerns over mental health struggles among children and adolescents, it's more important than ever to address how nutrition plays a role. So with mental health challenges, this can lead to a range of difficulties such as poor academic performance, low self-esteem, trouble focusing, increased vulnerability to stress, and bullying. For many children, this can strain relationships with friends and families, impacting their social and emotional growth. How nutrition affects brain function and mood. Let's talk about how food children eat affects brain function and mood. So the brain communicates with the gut through a network of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers like serotonin, known as your happy hormone, and dopamine, your motivation hormone. What's fascinating is that about 90% of serotonin is actually produced in the gut. So microbes living in the gut rely on nutrients and fiber from our diet to thrive and produce these neurotransmitters. A healthy gut supports a healthy mind. So what nutrients are particularly powerful for a child's brain health? Before we get into the key nutrients of brain health, I just wanted to remind you, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you. All right, so here are some of the top nutrients for boosting brain function, memory, and focus in kids. First up, we have omega-3 fatty acids. So omega-3s are critical for brain structure, learning, and memory. Research even links low levels of omega-3s to mental health concerns like ADHD and depression. So great sources include fatty fish like salmon, as well as flaxseed and walnuts. Then we have B vitamins. So your B vitamins are helpful and very important for producing neurotransmitters, allowing cells to communicate and energize the body. Look for B vitamins in leafy greens, eggs, meat, fish, whole grains, and dairy. Then we have iron. So iron is vital for oxygen transport and energy production, especially in the brain. Without enough iron, children can experience fatigue and mood changes. So various studies indicate that low serum iron and ferritin levels, which is your stored iron, so don't forget about testing that, are strongly associated with mental health and behavioral concerns such as ADHD. Foods rich in iron include spinach, red meat, and lentils. Then we have vitamin D. Since vitamin D receptors are present in many areas of the brain, it is thought to play a role in mood regulation and cognitive performance. The main source of vitamin D is sunlight exposure, so encouraging outdoor playtime is one great way for kids to get a boost. Additionally, some foods provide vitamin D, such as fortified dairy products, fatty fish like salmon, and egg yolks. And then we have magnesium. So magnesium helps calm the nervous system down and supports neurotransmitter function. It's also great for managing stress. So foods like nuts and seeds and leafy greens are magnesium rich and kid friendly. Also, so is dark chocolate. So beyond brain function, certain nutrients are also effective for mood regulation and reducing anxiety. First up, we have tryptophan. Tryptophan is an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, our mood-boosting hormone, as well as melatonin, which regulates sleep. So top sources include turkey, oats, bananas, and seeds. And then we have complex carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide the brain with a steady glucose supply, which helps prevent mood swings. So opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, vegetables, fruit, and quinoa instead of those sugary snacks to stabilize energy. Then we have pre and probiotics. These help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, supporting the production of neurotransmitters. Probiotic-rich foods include yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, which are great for gut health, and fiber-rich foods that support good bacteria. So it's clear that nutrients that children consume influence their health, mood, and the ability to focus. By incorporating nutrient-rich whole foods into their diets, we're not just feeding their bodies, we're helping them thrive mentally and emotionally. So how can we put this into action? Simple steps, like adding a variety of veggies, healthy fats, and high-quality protein can make a world of difference. Every meal becomes an opportunity to nourish their minds and help them build a foundation for lifelong health. So thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on children's health, nutrition, and mental well-being. And remember, every nutritious choice you can make for your child brings them one step closer to a healthy, happy future. Thank you.